Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Update today for AVAX. We are trading at $25.70 on a day chart here, or a day time frame. What we guys can see is a double bottom chart pattern coming down to support, hitting resistance, coming down to support, and our next attempt is going to come back and hit resistance roughly around the $28.41, and we're only a couple of dollars away from that. But what that's going to show us is a breakthrough on an upside. So now what we need to be able to accomplish after we do break through this resistance zone is a confirmation of 5% of this chart pattern, which is roughly translated to $30. Considering that we're at $25 right now, we need to come back up here and retest our resistance line. As we can see on a daily time frame, we've got multiple histograms of indicating a bull market getting stronger with the actual current or the actual trend here. We don't see any slowing down here. We don't see lighter color of the bars. So what we need to be able to see again is a retest of this price right here, and we're going to dive into more of a 2-hour time frame and take a look at any of the characteristics we can see. So right off the bat, you guys, we can see that we are continuously making some higher low candlesticks, so higher low peaks here. And as we are getting into the current price, what we can see is we got this candlestick observed at the very bottom here. And this candlestick here is a hammer candlestick, which essentially observed at the very bottom can be a bullish candlestick coming all the way up. Now, what we don't want to do is we don't want to say anything or interpret this candle that we are currently in until it actually closes off. So if it does close off and we're seeing more of a bullish signs from this candlestick that we're currently in, then our next target is going to come back closer to the next area of volume that we've got here, which is $27. Now, this is going to be necessary for our overall plan on a daily chart is to come back and retrace closer to the $28.50 for our overall target of the $30 for this double chart pattern to complete itself. So that's essentially what we need to be able to see for the time being. For AVAX, you guys, we do see the crossover that we've seen in the last candlestick. So this hammer candlestick here, we saw a crossover for MACD, signaling that we may come into a bear market. Now, some of these candlesticks, as we can observe here, didn't really throw through support areas. It didn't move the price as fast or as drastic as we normally see it. So if we do see another reoccurrence of that and we see smaller grams or smaller bars here, then essentially we're not going to penetrate or we're not going to cross this trend line. And this is one of the things we need to be able to see is we want to make sure we're maintaining the higher low trend line in order to come back and retest key areas of resistance. So if we don't move away or if we don't close below our 20 moving average, which is this orange line right here, then it is going to gear us to make another higher low and move momentum in an uptrend. So we're going to evaluate this in the next couple of days or so. If you guys did enjoy the video, like and subscribe to the channel, but I hope to catch you tomorrow.